Leave your wallet at home and embrace the future of payments right from your Android device. To start, grab your Android smartphone and let's make sure it's ready for tap-on-go convenience. The key technology behind this is NFC, or near-field communication. Most modern Android phones have this built-in, but it's always good to double-check. You can usually find information about your phone's specifications on the manufacturer's website or by looking at the original packaging. Now, let's get this set up on your Android phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open your quick settings panel. Then tap the gear icon to access your main settings. Once in settings, look for a search bar. Usually at the top, tap it and type NFC. You should see an option related to NFC or contactless payments. Tap on it now. You'll see a toggle switch. Make sure this switch is turned on. If it's already on, great. If not, simply tap the toggle to enable it. This is the crucial step that allows your phone to communicate with payment terminals wirelessly. With NFC enabled, you're ready to add your payment method. The most common way to do this is through Google Pay or a similar digital wallet app pre-installed or available on your device. Open your chosen payment app, and you'll usually find an option to add a payment method or add a card. Follow the on-screen prompts within the app to securely add your credit or debit card details. This typically involves scanning your card or entering the information manually, and often a verification step from your bank. Once your card is added and verified, you're all set to pay. Simply unlock your phone, open your payment app, and hold your device near the contactless payment terminal. At the checkout, you'll hear a confirmation sound, and the payment will be processed instantly. It's that easy.